Everyone, welcome to the part 7 of Tkinter tutorial for beginner. In this video we are going to create a text box. Let's get started. First let me create a function. Okay, div create func self. Okay, okay, enter your name. Okay, and self dot label. Okay, dot okay grid. Okay, row equal to 0 comma column equal to 0, and now I create a text box. Okay, and okay, entry box 1 equal to entry and width okay 40, and okay self dot okay string back. Okay, here I'm creating a variable self dot name. Okay, and equal to this. Okay, self dot Entrybox 1 dot grid row equal to 1 column equal to 0, and the next thing self dot button. Okay, btn equal to okay and okay equal to click. Okay, and self dot btn dot grid okay row equal to okay 2 okay 0. Okay, now okay self dot okay if I run this and see, now you can see. Okay, enter your name. This is our label, which is this, and okay, this is our text box, and this is our button. Okay, you can give okay padding and padding here, and also you can change the background foreground color. Okay, you can do, or you can customize these things, but I don't want this. Okay, and the next thing is okay div name. Okay, okay, here I create a label which I later use to show the name. Okay, L1 equal to okay the self. Okay, and self dot L1 dot back. Okay, no grid. Okay, grid row equal to 3. Okay, okay equal to 0. Okay, if I call this and run, it does not show me anything. Okay, because I don't write any text here. Okay, so name. Okay, and div so me self. Okay, L1. Okay, first okay I want to get the text right in this okay entry box. Okay, to do this let's simply type okay create a okay self dot okay name of the variable. Okay, this uh, self dot name dot get. This is the method we use to get the value of the variable. Okay, now I'll show you demo self dot key. And okay, where is button? Okay, it's here. Now the command, okay, equal to self dot show me. uh, okay, now if I run this and enter some name here, and now you can see run. Okay, self dot, okay, l1 dot, okay, I will explain this later. Okay, config, okay, equal to self dot, okay, print font equal to 40. Okay, now if I run this again and enter some name here and click this, okay, it is perfectly working. Okay, one thing, if you want to delete this text when you click this button, then you also can do this. To do this, simply type self dot, okay, Entrybox, Entrybox dot delete, okay, from 0, from beginning to end. Okay, it means from the first characters of the text to the last. I want to delete all. Okay, okay, now you can see it's deleting after click the button. Okay, now it's perfectly working. Okay, let me back to the code and explain for you. Okay, at first I create a variable self dot name. Okay, it take the string. Okay, and here I create the label and I place it to the window, and I create the entry box, and I specify the width, and okay, and I associate, okay, text variable to these variables we created earlier. Okay, it's mean, okay, if I write something here, then this is text variables, and I assign this to the self dot name, which is this, and okay, this is stored in self dot name. Okay, and I create it also, and I create the button with name click, and okay, command equal to self dot show me. I explained this previous video. Okay, if you don't understand, then go back and watch this. Okay, and here I create the label, and okay, I does not write the text here. Okay, and here I create the method, and okay, and here I get the string associated with this name. Okay, and I create or update this label, okay, with this, and when uh, user click the button, okay, I delete the text. Okay, like this. Okay, now you can see our text box become empty as soon as I click the button, and it's also show the label or update the label. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.